Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick update because my Hummer H3 got rear-ended. What in the Sam hell? Yep, she got toasted in the rear end. The damages aren't too bad. To my Hummer at least. The Jetta that rear-ended me is totaled. I was driving 35 miles an hour when a rocket ship, aka this Jetta, crashed into the back end. And wow, that dude must have been moving because the back end of the Hummer lifted up and launched in the air, sat back down, got all squirrely. And the guy's furious, tells me, "You effing totaled my car," and all this stuff. Called the cops. Cops came, gave him a ticket. I contacted his insurance company, and then they sent me some money for damages. So far, I still have to go get an inspection for the rest of it, but thankfully nobody got injured or anything except for my baby here. The damages include a bit of melting on the tire, damaged mud flap, damaged rear quarter plastic cover, broken plastic step pad, damaged rear bumper, broken trailer harness connector, scuffed up leaf spring hanger, and a scratch and bent muffler and tailpipe. It doesn't look all that bad driving down the road, but it certainly bothers me, and I'm excited to get it fixed. I might end up doing an off-road high clearance bumper build for it, but we'll see. So yeah, there's my quick update on the situation with the Hummer. I appreciate all the subscribers. We're at 500 now, and that is so exciting. If you haven't subscribed already, hit subscribe and the bell notification to get notified of new videos. And I'll see you next time.